Those who took part in war must be treated as war criminals under international law, war law.
Will you ask the Indian Army to release those men to you for trial?
Certainly, Indian Army is acting in unison with our armed forces and under the authority of our acting president in Bangladesh. Therefore, they will have to act in unison with us.
The Indian Army has got an authority to try anybody who was a citizen of this part even before 25th of March. If there is to be any trial, that is to be done by the Bangladesh government.
And will there be such trials?
Certainly, there would be.
I hope so. But according to law.
How many people do you expect to put on trial?
That is very difficult to say.
We will not be going for witch hunting, but then the crimes against humanity must be brought to book.
Won't this make it impossible for the West Pakistanis to release Sheikh Mujib?
It should not be made impossible. It should not be impossible for them to release Sheikh Mujib. But then that cannot be a bargain. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has not committed anything against the West Pakistanis or West Pakistan as such. He was always advocating for what is good for common struggling masses, including the West Pakistanis.